Today I am checking out this multifunction AC outlet cover. This is not the first one I've bought. I've actually bought quite a few of these and I love them. So let me show you what's in the box and why I love them so much. Alright, so in the box you're going to just find this outlet cover here inside, plastic with a manual. It comes with a really long screw because you have a screw that holds the plate on that's over your outlet already. And basically you take that screw out, you put the screw through here like this. Comes through the back and then it connects to that outlet plate that, the screw that would be in that plate. So you want to take the whole plate off of your outlet so it's exposed. But what this thing does is, and it, the only bad part about it is it's, kind of thick. It kind of sticks off the wall. So you'll want to think of that when you're putting it, wherever you want to put it in your home or wherever. But what's awesome about it is it gives you all of these extra outlets. It's like, a power strip basically built into your outlet and the front outlet here. So, I mean, you literally can put power adapters on the side of this thing and still be able to use all the ports. Then it also has this little, inverter, I guess you could say. These are DC ports. These are your, USB ports. You charge your phone, all that kind of stuff. So it adds this functionality to your outlet, and then it turns a regular 2-wall outlet into a 5-wall outlet. And again, the way it has these put on there, you usually can fit big, adapters on there if you need to and still be able to use the plug. So I really like these. This is, I don't know, third or fourth one we have. And again, you want to put them someplace, somewhat strategically where you know that it's going to not be a problem with it sticking out this far. And then all you do is you take that plate off. This slides into the top power outlet. This goes into the bottom ground like this so that it's nice and lined up. And then you just screw that screw in. That's it. It's real simple to do. Turns into a really nice little wall outlet here. So not only does it give you 3 USB-A and 1 USB-C port here to charge everything, but this actually has a built-in surge protector. So if you see here on the box, it says 1,680 joules of surge protection. So power outages or jolts of electricity, lightning hits, the electrical around your house, this has some protection in it. So I'm not saying that, it's best surge protector in the world, but it's just an extra level of surge protection that you would normally not have from a power outlet. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.